just owe me. If you ain't gang, 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 don't approach me. Hello, ghetto.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire and you're watching Hair. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get a quick, easy high puff on my natural hair. This hairstyle should take you no more than 5 minutes. All you're going to need for this style is a spray bottle with some water, gel, a brush, and something to tie your hair up with. I used a ribbon in this video, but you can use literally anything. So I'm going to be quiet right now and just let you guys watch the process because it's way easier for you to see what I do than for me to explain to you what I'm doing. This is a pretty easy hairstyle, so enjoy. Of this tutorial, and here's the finished look. You can always fluff your puff to your liking. You can pick it out and make it as big as you want, or you can just leave it nice and defined. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.